Greetings, ShiVa developers, and welcome to the desktop of my new Chromebook. Now, ChromeOS has never been a great platform for games. I mean, sure, you could run HTML5 WebGL games on there, no problem, or package a tiny local JavaScript-based server with your game to create a standalone Chrome app, and it would function really well. However, for a few months now, some Chromebooks have gained a new ability. They have received a new app, which all Android users will be instantly familiar with. Yes, a number of Chromebooks now come with the full Google Play Store. That means full Android game support on your Chromebook, and the performance is quite amazing even on weak mobile hardware. I have here an Acer Chromebook 14 with a tiny Celeron chip and integrated graphics, but you should check the official compatibility list later if you're interested in what I'm about to show you. Meanwhile, I have installed an app by TurboRocket Games, one of their ShiVa engine-powered 3D animal simulators. The performance is good, but it does not reach the full 60 FPS at all times in 1080p full screen. However, you can reduce the screen resolution through the settings menu, and if you do, your games will show a few more jagged edges, but the performance will improve a lot. Ideally, your game would use off-screen rendering and dynamically scale the resolution based on performance automatically, or at least offer a resolution slider in its own options. To exit a game, either move your mouse to the top of the screen, very much like full-screen Windows Modern or Metro apps, or press the overview key on the Chromebook keyboard and X out of the application. Now, let's switch the resolution back to 1080p and install another game. I really like Chain 3D by Alpha Polygon, which is a great puzzle game made with ShiVa a few years back. Device permissions work as expected. Accept and wait for the app to install. By the way, this part of the video is not edited, it really downloaded and installed the game in the blink of an eye. Chain 3D is one of the games that will open in a small window by default. In order to go full screen, you have to press the Maximize button and restart the application. By now you can surely tell I really like this game. It is so simple and elegant and fun. But you are not here to watch me play. Instead, I want to show you something else. Let's close out of the application, just like before, and go to the Chrome shell. Open the browser and press Ctrl-Alt-T. A new tab will open with a command prompt. Let's list all the running processes through top. And what do you know, Chain 3D is still running. It's also sucking up a decent percentage of CPU cycles. I found this to be one of the most problematic issues with the Android emulator and ChromeOS. You really have to close your games properly, otherwise you will lose battery life. Open the app drawer, right-click on the app in question, go to App Info and press Force Stop. Only now is your game really closed. I hope you liked this little introduction on running ShiVa apps from the Android store on ChromeOS. Tune in for part 2, where we will transform the Chromebook into a test platform by enabling developer mode and execute some debug APKs on the device without going through the Play Store. Stay tuned.